Friday the 13th of April 2029 will be humankind's lucky day. Apophis, a 375-meter-wide asteroid, will safely pass Earth at a distance of less than 32,000 kilometers. An asteroid this large passes this close to Earth once every roughly 7,000 years, and the European Space Agency will have a front-row seat. Meet Ramses. ESA's space safety program is sending Ramses to rendezvous with Apophis and study the asteroid up close as it is pulled and stretched by Earth's gravity. Ramses will deploy 2 smaller spacecraft to help it record any changes to the asteroid's orbit, rotation, surface, and interior. With Ramses, ESA is capitalizing on a unique opportunity to learn how asteroids react to strong forces, and how we could push one off of a collision course if we are not so lucky next time. When the world looks up to see Apophis passing overhead, Ramses will be flying alongside, providing close-up images and learning how to keep Earth safe.